Welcome back to another video, and today we're making juicy breakfast burritos. We're gonna start by heating the pan with some oil. In with the ground beef. Add a little bit of salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. Mix it up a little bit. Now we're gonna dice some onions. We gotta keep an eye on that meat so it doesn't burn. We're gonna set aside the meat. We're gonna go in with the onions. Coming with some salt. You gotta season every step of the way, or every way of the step, or every step. I don't know, but you gotta season throughout your cooking. We need some oil. Cut the mushrooms. You're gonna put it in the mixture. We are going to add a little bit more oil and mix it. We're gonna put some garlic in. We're gonna put the heat down. 3 eggs. We can put our meat. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And there we have our mixture. We're gonna cut a little bit of green sobra cake again. Let's do it. We're gonna make this sauce. I like to do a mixture between mayo, ketchup, and balsamic vinegar. And balsamic cream, actually, not vinegar. And then we have our sauce. Also gonna be adding American cheese. Tortillas in. You're gonna come with this sauce. And then we're gonna close it. We're gonna do 1, 2. And there we have it.